Hey guys, so I want to show you a message that I received as a spam, and I just want to say you that if you receive any spam message, just ignore and yeah. So what I receive is, hello there, PlayStation Network user. I'm Chrissy Tamangwong Tamamong Chang Chang Chong. Okay. So from the Sony Entertainment Company, I would like to stop this spamming rumor about PlayStation Network user having to pay for playing online. So please help me stop the rumor spamming. If you send this to 35 people, you will be granted $37 on PlayStation Store. Just check your wallet money on PlayStation Store. This message is tracked by me, Chrissy, and Sony Entertainment Company. Please copy and paste. No, please copy and send to all friends. So what I want to say about this is that this is a spam because, first of all, why would Sony give you $37 if you send it to 35 people? Because they can just say it to PlayStation Forum on the website itself. So next time if you receive something like that, then just ignore it or send this message. Wait, I'll put this over there. Alright, so send the spammer this message. That way he will be pissed because I trolled him. If you have any picture of a troll face, you can attach it, but I don't have one. So send it, and that should be okay. Just don't trust these guys. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye.